Christmas was amazing, with tons of brand new trains underneath the Christmas tree. But came Tuesday, it was time to get back out to the high iron, and our first train was 16R coming out of the fog. "16R is bound for Air, Massachusetts out of Binghamton, New York." I don't know about you, but maybe I'm nuts. But it looks like the sky was, and the atmosphere, and the screen in general, almost looks purple in a way. I guess that's just the camera's reaction to the fog, but I don't know. Kinda looks purple. What do you think? Am I crazy? Leave a comment down below on what you think of it. The next train to come through on the D&H, well, we would barely miss it. I tried giving chase, but no luck. Yep, I had just come inside to play with some new model trains, and, well, 264 snuck up. I had bowling practice at 3. It was already 2:40. We couldn't have a chase at 264. We'll get him next time, though. Hopefully. But this next train we had no problem in beating. And this next train also has foreign power from Canadian National in the form of ET44AC number 3210, and it was leading 30T. 30T comes off of Canadian National and Canadian Pacific and runs on Norfolk Southern as well. Hence, two railroad companies on the same train. "30T is out of Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and bound for Binghamton, New York. CN handles the portion from Montreal to Rouse's Point, where CP picks up the train and CP takes it to Sanitary Springs, where Norfolk Southern handles the rest of the trip to Binghamton. The last train of day 1 of the holiday special here was 11R, only 3 hours later. R tonight was all trash and all auto racks heading south and west. The trash containers will head south while the auto racks will head back west. Thanks for watching part 1 of Railfanning during the holidays. In part 2, we'll look at a train meet in Afton with an old SD70M-2. But until then, God bless. See you around the bend. Thanks for watching.